It's an R22. I haven't flown one of them for a long time. They'll fly up to about 9,000 feet. They'll fly at 90 miles per hour. They'll go for about 2.5 hours on one tank of fuel. And they're probably one of the cheapest helicopters per hour to fly anywhere in the world. They're great fun. And you can actually push them into your garage. You put a couple of wheels on the back there. Make sure you don't catch your head on the rotor. Let's look inside. So you've got a light coming engine there. The battery to fire it up. Air cooled there. Just inside. All the fan belts going round. On the top, you've got the main rotor system.